How to generate a georeference file in AutoCAD. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate a georeference file in AutoCAD. You may need these files if you are working with surveyors, architects or landscape designers, because georeference files are very useful when collaborating with other professionals. As you know, many site plans are not georeferenced, like the one you see in my AutoCAD window. We can see that the origin point in the bottom left is at the 0, 0 coordinates. A fast way and easy way to get this georeference file is to go to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. Then click the small button next to 2D vector map to activate the georeferencing. You should do the same thing for the 3D modeling. After that, you can preview and download your export. There is a link to the documentation that tells you the coordinate system your export will use. The file I download are in Steileslingen in Germany, and according to the documentation, the coordinate system is EPSG 25832. Now I can click on download my export. Now I can unzip the folder and open the file named TopoExport Vectorial. As you can see, when I click on the frame, the file is already georeferenced. If you zoom out, you can clearly see the distance between the origin and the project. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.